Hello there! So you know what does endangered means? Well, an endangered species is any species that is close to extinction due to loss of its habitat and decreasing of their population. Well, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, a species is considered endangered if it meets any one of the following criteria. Well, the first one is a 50 to 70% population decrease over 10 years. The second one, a total geographic area less than 5,000 km or local population area less than 500 km. The third one, a population size less than 2,500 adults. Number 4, a restricted population of 250 adults. Or a statistical prediction that indicates the possibility of extinction in the wild in the near future.
I have 7 examples of endangered species. Let's start off with mammals, like hyenas, pangolins, purple tiger or Siberian tiger, Asian elephant, snow leopard, blue whale, and let's end with reptile like sea turtles.
Conservation efforts are to protect and preserve natural resources, biodiversity, and ecosystems. The goals, including maintaining the balance of ecosystem, preventing the extinction of endangered species, and ensuring sustainable use of resources for future generations.
The community group is really going out to take care of our local environment. People are teaming up to plant trees, cut down on waste, and bring back wildlife habitat. They're not stopping here. They're organizing workshops and spreading awareness to make sure everyone knows about sustainable living and why biodiversity is so important. By making people more aware of our environment, this community group is making a big difference, setting the stage for a healthier and more sustainable future for the next generation.
Conservation efforts by the government. The Philippine government actively participates in conservation initiatives to explore and safeguard endangered species. These efforts encompass comprehensive biodiversity programs, the establishment of wildlife rescue and rehabilitation centers, collaborative ventures with non-governmental organizations on most and international partners, in-depth scientific research on endangered species and their ecosystems, public awareness campaigns, and the implementation of legal frameworks to curb activities such as illegal hunting and trading. These multi-faceted approaches collectively contribute to the ongoing commitment to preserving the country's rich biodiversity.
The first example of what we can do is learn about endangered species in your area. The first step to protecting endangered species is learning about how interesting and important they are.
One conservation effort individuals can undertake is supporting sustainable practices, such as using sustainable resources products and reducing consumption of items that can contribute to habitat destruction, like products containing palm oil or unsustainable seafood.
Similar to that, keeping sensitive habitats free of litter and other hazards, since they may serve as the home of native or migratory animals that are threatened or endangered.
Most of us get welcome an endangered species into our home, although who wouldn't want to snuggle up a furry lion?
As
century ago, more than 100,000 tigers roamed the planet. But as human encroached on their habitats and hunted them, that number dwindled to a record low of just 3,220 pairs. India is one of the 30 nations working on a common goal to double tigers' number by 2022. It's estimated that India's white tiger population has increased by 33% since 2015.
These are the reasons why we have an endangered species right now. See this endangered animal over here? You want to save this? Here's how.